Dr. Jabbar Patel, जो इस फिल्म के निर्देशक हैं, kindly come on stage please. Mr. Mammootty, please come on stage. Sonali Kulkarni और Mrinal Kulkarni, kindly come on stage. Dr. जो इस फिल्म के म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर हैं, प्लीज. Mr. Dilip Kumar, Mr. Ashok Mehta, kindly come on stage, please. Oscar Award winner please come on stage. Thank you so much. Filmmaking is a team effort. I would like to call the entire team of the film on stage. Dr. Y.D. Phadke, Arun Sadhu, Nitin Desai, Vikram Gaikwad, Vijay Kochikar, Mr. Pramod Purandare, Mr. Madan Lakhipaji, Anjan Nayak, John Fernandez,
the completion of the film on Dr. Ambedkar, or I should rather say, to have the courage to venture and try and make a film on a man who has given this country its constitution, which defines the right of every given individual on this land, rights in equity, and thereby rights in decency, and made this country as one of the fraternity of the civilized people on this earth. So, I was astounded that when I heard Jabbar wanted to make a film on Dr. Ambedkar, and a million questions came in my mind, but I was too stunned to ask all of them. I thought he may get discouraged.
Thank you so much, sir. Hema, would you like to say?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my great pleasure to be here this evening for the cassette release of this great film, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. It gives me even more joy to be present here as the NFDC chairperson. We are very much proud to be associated with this project. I pray to God this film should do well in India and also internationally. I'm sure this film will be giving the right message to the people who love and worship Dr. Ambedkar. I congratulate Sri Jabbar Patel, Sri Mammootty and the entire crew for making this wonderful film. My best wishes to all of you.